Nestled amidst the rolling hills of Shongweni, South Africa, a unique architectural marvel has taken root. Oban Estate, a contemporary residence and equestrian facility, seamlessly blends modern design with equestrian passion, creating a haven for both humans and horses. Oben Estate's grand entrance foreshadows the awe-inspiring experience that awaits visitors. A raw concrete and Corten steel gatehouse marks the threshold, leading guests along a curved avenue lined with stately plane trees. This creates a sense of anticipation, offering glimpses of the residence through the trees before revealing its full glory. Upon emerging from this verdant tunnel, a low-slung canopy opens into a vast parking court, announcing the arrival at the private residence. The residence itself is a masterpiece of modern architecture with subtle brutalist influences. The structure is characterized by simple, linear forms that project outwards, creating a harmonious dialogue with the sprawling lawns and gently sloping paddocks. Mature trees are carefully integrated into the design, ensuring the residence feels nestled within the natural landscape. Approaching the home, an organically shaped concrete wall gracefully curves above a reflective pond, inviting visitors across a small bridge and through the front door. Stepping inside, one is immediately captivated by the breathtaking vista. An expansive, 10-meter unobstructed opening allows the gaze to wander freely towards the distant horizon. This sense of openness is further emphasized by the prominent V-column, the Gugi-styled floating staircase, and the triangulated coffer slab that forms a dramatic double-volume ceiling. The ground floor is designed for seamless indoor-outdoor living. An open-plan kitchen, lounge, and dining area flow seamlessly into a fully equipped, covered outdoor entertainment space. A sparkling swimming pool and a serene 24-meter koi pond add to the luxurious ambience. A guest suite and a flexible space that can function as a study, lounge, or gym complete the ground floor layout. The sculptural staircase serves not just as a means of accessing the upper floor but also as a striking centerpiece within the double-volume space. Arriving at the mezzanine landing, a distinct shift in atmosphere is palpable. Filtered light dances through a wall of vertical screens, while a series of 9 symmetrically placed triangular skylights create an ethereal and uplifting ambience. This tranquil space is perfect for quiet contemplation. This floor houses 2 twin suites and a master suite complete with a private lounge/reading area. All the suites are connected by a 28-meter floor-to-ceiling glazed passage, allowing for ample natural light and ventilation throughout. During South Africa's humid summers, these glazed panels can be fully opened to create a refreshing cross breeze. Adjacent to the residence lies the equestrian component of Oban Estate. Here, function meets form in a state-of-the-art facility designed for both horses and riders. Stables, an oval-shaped office with a private lounge and bathroom, a vast 2,400 square meter open show-jumping arena, storage space, workshops, and ample public parking for trailers and cars cater to every equestrian need. The equestrian facility's design stands in contrast to the residence, opting for a lightweight steel structure. However, the building's linear form echoes the residence, creating a sense of cohesive unity across the estate. The steel and sheeted structure houses all equestrian functions under a single monopitch roof, with angular sheeted walls that adapt to their purpose. In the stables, these walls wrap downwards for optimal insulation, while elsewhere, they open upwards to maximize natural light and ventilation. Additionally, horizontal louver elements strategically placed throughout the facility allow for a comfortable balance of natural light and solar control, particularly crucial in the stables. The design of Oban Estate masterfully addresses 2 key challenges. Firstly, the architects had to ensure a clear distinction between the private residence and the public equestrian facilities while maintaining a sense of unified development. Secondly, introducing a bold modernist structure into a rustic environment demanded a respectful and harmonious approach. The final design embodies confidence and respects the natural beauty of the surrounding landscape. Oban Estate is more than just a residence or an equestrian facility, it is the culmination of a vision. Here, contemporary architecture, equestrianism, and nature coalesce into a truly inspiring and functional space, making it a unique destination for those seeking a luxurious and equestrian-focused lifestyle.